Oh, time to sync the repos. CD Rails, get pull, origin, main, get push, fork main, CD out, CD jumpstart, get pull, origin main, get push, fork main, CD out, CD notice, get pull, origin main, get push, fork main, CD out, CD pick, get pull, origin main, get push, fork main. There's gotta be a better way. That's better. Hey everybody, Colin from Go Rails here. So what you just saw is a Ruby gem I built to help me manage all the repositories that I work on at any given point in time. This is a series I started on Go Rails a while back. I made some recent videos now to continue on that series to get us up to speed to this point of the build of the gem. So if you're interested in learning about how to build things like this, or Ruby on Rails apps in general, or features, or anything else, definitely be sure to go check out gorails.com. Also, we have Chris is working on a 17-part series on building a complete production-ready SaaS application. So that is going to be coming out soon on Go Rails as well. So definitely be sure to be on the lookout for that. Also, speaking of things to be on the lookout for, Black Friday sales are actually live as of days ago. Okay, so we're trying to get this going for the entire month of November. So right now, all of the Black Friday offerings that we have are live and available to you, and let's go over those real quick together. So first off, we have 36% off of the Go Rails yearly plan. So that works out to about $12 a month, so that you can learn Ruby and Ruby on Rails skills, learn how to build features. There's project builds over there you can follow along with. All kinds of great stuff to get that Ruby and Ruby on Rails knowledge up to par there. Also, when you're ready to go to the next step of that journey and you need to learn about Hotwire, we're offering $50 off the Learn Hotwire course right now, which is a great next step. Also, you can put all that knowledge together and build your own business by purchasing the Jumpstart Rails iOS or Android templates. Right now we're offering $50 off. So you take all that knowledge you learned in the first two things, come up with that idea, build it yourself, get off the ground and running in no time with Jumpstart. Or if you're, you have a job and you all want to start hotwiring up some features, Learn Hotwire course is great for that as well. Jumpstart, a great option for getting your own personal business off the ground running quickly. And then once you have that idea built, go ahead and give Hatchbox.io a try here when you're ready to put it live on the web. Also, $50 off of several courses here. So we have the Advanced Ruby course for when you're ready to take that complete next step in your Ruby knowledge. $50 off the Payments with Rails Masterclass. $50 off of Ben Orenstein's Refactoring Rails course. Also $50 off Sell Repo, which is a self-hosted one-time purchase app like Once to help you sell all of your source code for any projects that you're building. So that's all I have for you right now. Thank you for sticking around and watching this video. Get out there, support some businesses on Black Friday, grow your knowledge, take advantage of sales, to grow and better yourself by discounts that people are offering on things you've been having your eye on for a while. So with that, thank you very much for sticking around and watching this video. If you have any questions though, feel free to drop me a line however you see fit. And until then, take care.